Hey, it's Dave from Vacation Tracker here, and in this video tutorial, we're going to be covering how you can set up a brought forward or rollover leave policy for your employees. Now, a brought forward policy is when any unused paid time off, vacation, or any form of leave you choose is rolled over into the following year. And this is a feature that is available to all users regardless of the plan. So if you're interested in setting up your own brought forward policy, do be sure to follow along. To get started, the first thing you're going to do is ensure that you're logged in to your own Vacation Tracker account. From there, you have two ways to set up a brought forward policy. You can access the leave policy section by clicking under leave setup, leave policies, or you can go to a specific location, click on view, and then on the tab leave policies. Either way, this brings you to the same section where you can modify your leave type in order to enable brought forward. In this case, I'm going to stick with this example I've opened up so far and click on paid time off and then on the edit button. Now from here, if you scroll down, you'll see you have access to brought forward settings, and by default, they are disabled. But if you'd like to enable it, you can click on the drop-down menu and click on limited or all. Limited allows you to limit the amount of days or hours brought forward into the following year, while all is a blanket feature that allows all unused days to be carried over. Going one by one with the limited, as you can see, there's a bit more options, so you have a better sense of what you're setting up here. In this case, for my example, I'm going to use 5 days as the maximum number of days I want to be brought forward for any employee. You could also choose to put an expiry date on the days if you want to have expire by a certain point. You can also leave that as no by default. You can also choose to have this policy applied to future leaves only, or you can have it applied to both your future and past leaves, and this will depend on the type of policy you'd like to put in place. There's also the option to enable negative brought forward, meaning that if an employee dips into the future balance of paid time off and it goes negative, you can choose to have that rolled over into the following year as well. Once you're happy with the settings, you can click on update, and that particular leave policy at that particular location will be updated to reflect the changes. In addition to the leave policy being updated, now when users go to check their balance, and if they have a brought forward policy enabled, they can actually see that as part of their total. You can see here for this user, they have 5 brought forward days, which is what we selected. And when the calculations are made for the remaining balance, you can see here that 5 unused days will be rolled over into the next period if they're not used. And now it's just a simple matter of repeating these steps for each leave type in each location that you would like a brought forward policy active in. Thanks for watching this tutorial. And if you have any additional questions, you can read more about brought forward policies in the help desk, or you can always reach out to our support team via chat and email.